bookkeeping practices that will help to take control over your business. And if you will get on board or if you will not get something, please stop me, ask me questions, because it's not very easy topic. It's accounting, it's bookkeeping, so please stop me or ask me questions whenever you get more of anything. By the end of this hour, I would like you to remember be comfortable with three major things. It's just on a quarterly basis. It's not going to cost a whole lot. Asking to review completeness for accuracy and maybe even to perform some type of analysis to be included in that price. It should be. You should ask for the thing, and they should be able to say yes.
So what actually would a quarterly should be ranging from what to what?
Probably 150, I would say. That's what our company does for 150 to review your books on a quarterly basis to see how good they are. So everybody sees a difference. I'm not doing your books.
Right.
Just maybe it's accurate, information is in correctly, so that's probably the price.
Well, that's fair as a startup, and then you do all the billions.
Exactly. Exactly, yeah. When you do have many transactions, you're probably already not going to do it yourself. Yeah, so that's the first way how you can work on your book. Then, if you really hate it, so you can do it together with your accountant. I mean, if you hate it, but you still need to do something, such as invoicing your customers on an everyday basis. Accountants are not going to look at, of course, they're not going to go every day and invoice to the customer. So ask your accountant or a QuickBooks class. There's a lot of free classes offered nowadays, just to know how to put you can email your invoice to your client from QuickBooks. So you can just learn how to invoice and email to your clients, because that's very oftentimes that's what business owners like to do it themselves, because they do it every day. They can send 1-2 invoices every day or twice a week. They cannot ask to do it your bookkeeper all the time. Or if you want to have a check professionally printed from people, that's also you can do. You can have very nice, very professional. You can check if you would like to use those to send to your vendor, to mail to your vendor, so you can do it from QuickBooks yourself as well. So those two basic transactions which you might do on everyday basis. So you might do those, and the rest, the people will do the rest at the end of the month, or even at the end of the quarter, depending how much volume of transactions you have. If it's your begin, if it's your first year or second year of operation, you might not need even monthly bookkeeping, because you have just 10-15 transactions a month. You can do this more on a quarterly basis. That would be good enough. So working and check yourself, and on quarter end, your bookkeeper can do the rest, such as non-everyday transactions, such as reconciling your bank statements, such as inputting depreciation, debt write-off, inventory transactions, something that is more complicated. This way you can save actually 50% of your bookkeeping costs if you share this responsibility between you and bookkeeper. And finally, that's when you really hate it, so you get it to your account and do it all. All your bookkeeping, you can do it, all your taxes, all your accounting, just handle it here.
How often, if you're doing it by yourself, how often should you actually keep record? Even though the receipts are one piece, but actually inputting it in the Excel or the QuickBooks is another.
Exactly, you're right. That's exactly right. Even if it's one thing, and then when you put it on a piece of paper, or on Excel, or QuickBooks, that's what it means that you can keep it. But even if it's not bookkeeping, it's just a lot of paper that's meaningless.
Right.
Exactly. That's a very good point. And you do it once a month. Unless so little, you can do it once a quarter. But this is I would advise it once a month, just to keep track and know exactly, and not to miss anything, while you still remember what those receipts for.
It'll be easier to do it that way versus
Exactly. And for 3 months, you will not want to go through all this big pile of information
Right.
already.
Mhm.
So it's much easier if you can take
Time
control,
out.
take your time out like every month. That's very important. I guess that's all that I wanted you to know about bookkeeping. So those 5 I just will go over again quickly. 5 points. Separate your funds from personal and business. QuickBooks accounting software. If you don't need QuickBooks, manual or Excel, but do keep records. Keep receipts for cash transactions especially, and the way you can do your bookkeeping. Do your own share. You can share with the account at all. You can do it all. So those are the major points I would like you to remember about the bookkeeping today. And now, I want to talk about the bigger picture of what is accounting actually is, what is the process. And as this slide says, it's systematic summarization of financial data to create